Hi. In this video, I am going to show you how to convert ChatGPT Rubric tables into Word. First of all, open any browser and then type in search bar then click on the first link to open a ChatGPT. Once it's open, then go to the prompt section and type 5th grade opinion writing from the student's point of view. Hit the enter button. Once ChatGPT generates the answer, after that, give it another prompt, give me the answer in a table. Hit enter. And ChatGPT starts generating the table. Once it's done, go to the upper side of the table, copy the text, and then open MS Word. Paste the text into MS Word, but you'll notice it's not looking good. To improve it, go back to the browser and open Google Sheets. By clicking on the second link. Once Google Sheets opens, return to ChatGPT. Now, see the columns and rows of the table. There are 5 columns and 9 rows. Click on Ctrl+V to paste all the table data into Google Sheets. Adjust the size of the columns. Then, adjust the size of the rows. Go back to Microsoft Word. You'll notice there are no margins in the Word document. To fix this, click on File, then Print, then Custom Margin, and select Narrow 0.5. Go back to the Home tab, click on Insert. Then click on Table. Then go below and click on Insert Table. And set 5 columns and 9 rows. Fixed column width should be enabled. Click OK and then select all the cells. Click on Ctrl+V to paste. Now, you'll notice there is no margin between text and cells. To fix this, select the table. Go to Layout. Click on Cell Margin and set every top, bottom, left, and right margin to 0.08. Click OK, and now you can see the table looks good in MS Word. That's how to convert ChatGPT rubrics into tables in Word. If you want to learn more about this, please comment in the comments section. If you found this video helpful, please like it, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.